Hello, good morning, happy Friday, here from Smyrna, Georgia in a rainy day. We're waiting for the framing final inspection in this structure behind me. We re-supported the stairwell that was leaning toward one of the sides, and we relocated the ducting that you see behind me. We already passed the final HVAC inspection, and we built this structure based on the engineer report provided by the customer. I want to take the opportunity in order to explain a little bit, because most of the customers ask me, what is an LVL? And an LVL is no more than a laminate veneer lumber. And I know that definition per se is not going to give you what is this about, but it's really simple. An LVL beam is no more than an engineered wood product that combines different layers of thin wood that they're going to be assembled together using a bonding in order to be able to support weight on its structure. It's stronger than the regular wood, and as I say, you combine different layers to make it more, or make it stronger. And it's most of the time used for beams, as you see on the back, or to headers, as you see on the lower side right here. In this case, doesn't need to actually be an LVL. It was 2x12 pressure treated wood. But as you see in here above me, you can see that it's the combination of two beams. But if you can see close about that, you can see the different layers that have been combined in this beam. Different sizes depends on the span that you need to provide. And a span is no more than the distance between the point A and point B. Doing some calculation from the engineer, he can determine exactly the size of the beam or the number of beams that you need to combine in order to be able to support the weight that you're going to put on. Hope this helped. My name is Victor Aponte from MOG Improvement Services. Stay tuned for more small tips and definitions to trying to explain and educate the biggest amount of people possible. Check the link below, put some comments on. More than happy to answer any questions that you may have. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your weekend. Bye-bye.